go. My little experiment. I'm cooking the egg on top and using a candle to cook the bottom. This is how it looks. I have a 100-watt heater with a battery, 12-volt battery, cooking the egg. I had a little accident. I moved it, and you gotta be careful. You can't really do this. I don't recommend you do this. Get the professional one. The latch is on it. But I'm using the wrong type of pot and pan to cook it in. It takes longer to heat up, but it took me a half an hour to cook this egg with a 100-watt heater, battery, and candle. Takes time to make it work. Sit up there and make sure it cooks. And you can see it cooked real good inside the egg. I'm gonna eat it. Can't waste food today. I'm gonna show you what you can do if you get a little creative. And if you have food you want to keep warmed up, you can use a little 100-watt heater to cooking food. I keep it warm. This way you're not using a whole lot of electricity, using less electricity, and then you're heating the area up that you want to heat up. Thank you for watching. God bless.